Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today please join me in cooking stir-fried vegetables. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have cabbage, yellow and red bell pepper, spinach, chicken, cauliflower, zucchini, broccoli, carrot, mushroom, onions, garlic. We have salt and pepper. We have sesame oil, hoisin sauce. We have white cooking wine, oyster sauce, and chicken flavor bouillon, and we're gonna use also a little of soy sauce. So let's proceed to cooking. What we're gonna make now is stir-fry vegetables, but this has a spin of like Thai or Vietnamese taste, okay, or even Chinese taste, okay. We'll put olive oil on our wok here, and we'll put our onions. Always put the onions first, so you will not overcook the garlic, because there's a tendency to overcook the garlic when you first put it. Okay, let's put the garlic now, and we will wait for a minute here so the onions will be cooked. Now, after sauteing this for a minute, we will put our chicken. Alright, I use the chicken breast, and we slice it real thin so it will easily cook. Let's put a little of fish sauce. And we'll saute this for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. We put the wine already, like 3 tablespoons of wine, and we're gonna saute this for 1 minute. This is time to put our oyster sauce, like 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Okay. Let's give it a good stir. Alright. We'll put our sesame oil. Okay. And also we're gonna put our hoisin sauce. All right, we'll give it a good stir again. And a little of salt and pepper. All right. Now we'll put our vegetable. Start with the carrot. Cauliflower. Broccoli. Let's stir it. And let's cover this for 2 minutes. Now we will add our bell pepper. Okay. And the mushroom. We'll give it a stir. Alright, this will be real yummy. I can smell now. Okay, we'll cover this for another minute. Now we will add our some chicken bouillon powder to give more taste. Okay. Oh, I can smell. I can smell. It's very yummy. Now this time we're gonna add our cabbage. All right. And our zucchini. There you go. I'm gonna cover this again. Now let's check our vegetables. Wow. This is almost cooked now. Another thing that I have not mentioned, that we will put one more ingredient here. And wow, it's good. And we will add cornstarch. So the sauce will thicken a little bit. For now, we need another minute. Let's check it again. Remember, a while ago I added tofu. I added it last because the tofu is already soft. So, all right. I think we can add now cornstarch, so it will thicken the sauce. All right. Just a little bit of cornstarch. And we're gonna stir it a little bit. And then the last vegetable we're gonna add is the spinach. Okay. This time we're gonna add a little of chili, crushed chili. So it will add a little spice That's chili flakes I added. So this will taste like more of Vietnamese or Thai recipe, okay? So now we're gonna add our spinach. Just a little spinach on top. You're gonna let it cook for a few seconds, and that should be it. You cover it. Here is our finished product: stir-fried vegetables with chicken and mushroom. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my channel for future cooking videos. Thank you and have a good day.